Do you need to view your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone but don't know how? In this short tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to quickly and easily view the current Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the I button on the right side of the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. And then you'll see the password. Simply tap on it. And it will use either your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode to verify you and reveal your Wi-Fi password. Once the password appears, you can copy it to your clipboard and do whatever you want with it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.